Celebrating my wins helps me create a positive feedback loop, encouraging me to set and pursue new goals. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on this video and share it with someone who might find it helpful. Now back to what I was talking about. These celebrations of wins for me can take place in the form of sharing successes with friends and families on social media, or even me treating myself to something special. This helps foster a mindset where I appreciate and value effort and progress. Speaking of progress, guys, I want to share with you all, I have been more consistent in creating videos and I'm looking forward to posting more videos. And honestly, it's a great accomplishment for me. I'd love to celebrate this milestone with you. Yeah, we hit 100 subscribers and I am really excited. In this makeup tutorial, I will show you how I created this look from start to finish. First off, you all know my routine. I started by cleansing the face with Bioderma Micellar water. After cleansing, I use my Rain toner to further clean the face and then I moisturize the lips. Well, today I added toning to the mix. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you have any question, drop them in the comments and I will be happy to answer. Enjoy the video and I will be back soon. For this look, I'm aiming for a full coverage and flawless glam. One thing I do is I ensure that my client's skin is properly moisturized and hydrated. I went on to mix the NARS mattifying foundation and I used a flat brush to spread it evenly over the face for easy blending. Once this was done, I went on to refresh the face with Badescu setting mist to keep the skin hydrated and make blending easier. At this point, if your client looks up and you notice folded lines on their forehead, remind them to relax. This will help ensure your blending is flawless and seamless. Once again, I want to remind you to celebrate all your wins. As one of my favorite speakers, Dr. Miles Monroe, will always say, he said, from the moment you were that fertilized egg, you won something. Celebrate being alive and appreciate every day. We have reached the end of this look, guys. All product details will be in the description box below. If you have suggestions, recommendations, or look you'd like to see, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates. Also, don't forget to book us for your glam session. We do bridal, makeup, bridesmaids, and special occasion. Like, we are your go-to makeup artist. We are taking bookings in Dubai, Manchester, and across the UK. Refer us to someone you know today. We also offer online and one-on-one makeup classes. You won't want to miss learning how to achieve this flawless look just like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.